Hey, what's going on? I just wanted to give an update on the markets, especially for Bitcoin, since it looks like we're moving. I know it's been a while, it's been a couple of days. I had to get a new laptop, so that's going to take till December. I'm using my iMac, so the sound quality is going to be a little bad. Um, but I feel it's just really important to kind of just get over that really quick and to provide a market breakdown. I'll try to make it as quick as possible. So last video, I mentioned that we were going to have some boring price action, pretty much going up and down this trend line. And looks like we held as support here. We did dip down into that blue area down here of market interest, the local support, right? So local area of interest for these traders. And then we had a manipulated push down into the weekly here. So all in all, the market looks healthy. We need to stay above the red in order for us to continue higher. I know the market is in euphoria right now, so it looks like everything is pointing up. Let's see here. So right, so we had the trend line, bounce, 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 a little consolidation. I did mention that I would like to see a break here, and then so a bounce over a 63,000 area, and then we can resume higher. Right, that's what I would like to see in order for us to continue in our bullish momentum. So that's what I have for the bullish case. We could always come tap down into these areas below here. You can see like a little faint blue here that I did that I drew out. That was just for me. That was just for my visuals to see exactly how the market's paying attention. It was trading within a range in between those two little lines over here. I kind of had that as a possible entry for myself if I wanted to when I wanted to long. So again, that was just for me. That's not really for the market of the video itself. So let me just delete that. Just delete any kind of distractions. Let's zoom out on the daily. That's the daily here. We'd have to get above here. I'd like to see a targeting above here, and then maybe one more, and then it's happened to 66,000. But all in all, the market looks really good. Up only, right? So here, check the weeklies. You can see we have strong momentum here. Nice full candle here, whereas we had just wicks in this area. So let's check the monthly. Monthly was the highest candle closure, which was really important. And now all we're doing is we're just staying right above that candle closure there. Let me see. That's about 60. What's that? 61,000. Yeah, 61,360, 61,300. So as long as we're staying above here, we should be fine, right? So that's so now the monthly started up. So now we're probably going to go, just consolidate and for a leg higher possibly. And that's what I have for BTC. So BTC consolidation, I like to stay above here and then resume higher. That's what I like to see for now. Let me just change this color to green, as I like to do that for on all the videos. I'm really I always have trouble with this little line here. I guess that's how good I am at aligning it up. But try one more time. All right. Okay. Got it. Okay. Cool. So changing it to green. Boom. So now we know that's support, right? See, we had support here. Right here, right? So we had some support, a little reject, a little bit of resistance there, and then we just kind of resumed up higher from that area. Now I'm going to turn this into yellow, right? Because it's indecisive as of right now. We don't know what's going on with this market. Well, we know we just, broke through, broke through it as resistance. Let me just make another. How do I do this? Here we go. So I'm going to make another area here. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Right, that's going to be the next target that we're looking at. So you can see in real time exactly how I'm doing it. All right, copy paste. Oops, unlock it. Right. So now you saw in real time how I kind of did that. So, and then this line over here was the wick from the last highs, I think. See right here, yeah, that's the wick up there. So I'd like to. That's probably where we're going to be aiming for. then a little consolidation, and then towards 65, 66,000. And then if we break through there, then, again, price discovery mode. You know, I'm hearing numbers anywhere from 70 to 80 grand. So we'll see. I like to take the market one day at a time. So, without making assumptions. So again, that's Bitcoin for you. Let's move over to Ethereum, which again, extremely bullish on, right? I've said that countless times. I'm really, really bullish on Ethereum. So Ethereum, a nice clean break against the trend line, right? So let me just make this, there we go, nice and neat. I had the trend line somewhere around here, more or less. And the same action as Bitcoin, right? Rejection, rejection, tap into the weekly support. And then now we're just kind of consolidating, and then we just kind of broke through. So we'll see how that goes from there. I like to stay above 44, 46, 4,400, 40. So we could see something like that, and then a resumption higher. But all in all, again, Ethereum breaking through, extremely bullish. Let me delete this. That was for me. As you can see, we broke through. So yeah, that's that's Ethereum for you. So right now we're in price discovery mode. So just sit back, relax, and see where the market takes us. And as you can see, all these weekly levels are green. Once you see all weekly levels being green, then you know that Ethereum is just making strides and going into all-time highs. And then I hear 5,000 to 7,000 to 8,000. I mean, I hear all these numbers. Again, we'll see where the market takes us. I know there's fib extensions to use. I'm not big on fib extensions, although I will try to incorporate that into in my arsenal of tools at some point in the future. So that is something that I will be make a point to learn, right? To use. Let me delete that. It's beautiful. That's just nice, nice market. Okay, so let's move over to XLM. XLM, a little boring, right? It's just boring price action. I'm sure it's going to catch up with the rest of the market with Bitcoin and Ethereum. All we see here, just to go over really quick, right? A dip right into the weekly support. That was a couple of days ago, and then right into this local area, which I pointed it out, which at one point was resistance. Now it's support, and then now we're just resuming into this weekly yellow level, which I'm hoping we get a little consolidation, and then higher into 41 to 43, and then ultimately towards 50 cents up here. So that's my level for now, right? I do have some more levels up there, but let's just pay attention to what we have in front of us. So XLM, just to kind of go over it, if we get some consolidation here, rise up, and then straight to 50 cents. I think that's exactly how it will happen, just like that, right, for the coming days, if we can hold this bullish momentum. If not, we could fail here, and then another dip, and then we'll see exactly where that takes us from there. But XLM also, hopefully following the trend as Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll make this video really quick. And then XRP, let's see, XRP, $1.12. I did mention in my video that, we had the trend line just like we had Bitcoin. We've just been bouncing off up and down, up and down. We took a dip into this little area here. And then we just kind of reclaim this weekly area, this weekly zone here. So I'm not going to turn that green just yet. I'd like to see some more bullish momentum. For me, I would like to see a break over this area, right? $1.16, $1.15. We have to go over this. I think that's really heavy resistance that we have there. Let me just get rid of this line really quick. That's really heavy resistance at $1.16. We also have this little area of interest here as well. But I'd like to see a breakthrough here up, and then a resumption towards $1.30, $1.40. Okay, so just keep that in mind. This is really, really heavy resistance, heavy supply here that we need to break through. So if we can get it, that'd be great. If not, we can get another rejection and then kind of roll over towards the dollar area. I also did mention, that's the dollar area is where we would have to be looking at, and then 90 cents. in the previous video. So, we did get the dollar. We didn't necessarily get the 90 cents, but we got close to it, 96 cents. And yeah, that's pretty much the market in a nutshell. Trying to make it quick and concise, and hopefully you like the video. Also open to constructive criticism. Just I'm open to anything in the comments. Leave comments, and hopefully see you guys on the next video. But I just wanted to make this one really quick, just so that way we can go over. We can stay ahead of the market, and that's it.